The optional BMW Drive Recorder with iDrive Operating System 8 and later allows you to record the view from the cameras that are located on the exterior of your car. You can capture videos from beautiful scenic drives to your best track laps for private use and export them directly to your smartphone. The Drive Recorder needs to be activated first. Open the app and confirm the legal notice using the predefined settings, or leave the box unchecked and tap Confirm to set it up manually. Select Allow Recording and Manual to also activate the manual recording trigger, not just in the case of an accident. And allow data access via the My BMW app. Now, let's set up the export connection. First, make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are connected. Open the My BMW app and confirm access to the gallery. And double-check that all connections are active. Found a moment you want to keep? Go to Drive Recorder and press Start Recording manually, or just press and hold the parking button. The recording stops after the set time and is automatically saved in your car. You can play it back on the control display or take your memory with you. When the recording is saved to your smartphone gallery, you get a My BMW app push notification. Follow it to share the metadata, or open the gallery to watch. And share the recordings with friends and family. You can even save longer driving recordings directly to your smartphone, depending on your device's available storage. To do this, activate manual recording in the Drive Recorder settings and select your preferred cameras. Cherish your driving moments and continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.